Hi guys, how are you doing? Are you guys understanding my security testing lessons? Whenever you come across any doubt, just comment in my YouTube channel guys so that I can respond to you people within 24 hours. So it is very important to learn from lesson 0. So far I covered around 30 lessons. So today we'll discuss the roadmap of our security testing learning. As I said before, we learned the low level security issues first, and then we focus on medium level issues and then high level issues, and after that we start learning how to hack a web application in 30 to 40 ways or else 100 plus ways based on the time I have. If you guys observe, like other training institute people, trainers will teach how to hack a weak web application like extremely vulnerable web application or damn vulnerable web application. You guys should not learn or practice on those weak applications. You guys should try to practice on websites which I started from lesson 4 I believe, like simple PHP login website, right? They look like real-time web applications. So the problem is, if you open damn vulnerable web application, it will show you that at particular page the page is vulnerable to cross-site scripting. So as soon you open that page, you simply execute cross-site scripting. So that's not the way of practicing the issues. That's the reason I told you how to deploy 10 plus unique web applications, so that your practice will be just like a real-time experience. And also once you start deploying those 10 plus applications, right, you can easily deploy thousands of applications, and you can start practicing by yourself, like content management system or GAuth tokens or OAuth, whatever it is. So how long will this course take? Like at least maybe within 2 months I will be able to complete all the security testing, like 100 plus unique security test cases. And after that I will create 3 to 4, I will deploy 3 to 4 web applications, like large web applications, and I'll put a desktop recording. So, and I'll start some desktop recording so that you can see the end-to-end security testing of my approach, like which page I'll be opening first and what security issues I'll be checking. So all those things you can see guys. So that will be very good learning for you. And I'll also request a couple of my friends, ask them to practice on some application end to end, not practice, to test the application end to end, and I'll request them to completely record the screen. Like if 5 to 6 guys record, you will be having like 60 plus hours to watch to understand how each guy is going to test, and you can choose the best approach. You will like my approach guys, because I'm very good in finding like 60 unique security issues in just like 10 minutes. So I'll show you that approach too, so that you can, like within 10 minutes you can report all those security issues. So this is what guys. And also, like, don't worry about learning the open source tools. I'll be showing you how to run 50 plus open source pen testing tools. Initially my lessons are very slow, because I wanted to focus on beginners or freshers or juniors, whatever you say, who doesn't know anything, like who are new to the security testing. They should be able to understand that. That's the reason why I'm showing you how to install the software also step by step, like spoon feeding approach. If you are expert, it might be boring for you initial lessons, but definitely when I start teaching high level security issues, you will be understanding in-depth concepts, and you'll like the way I teach. So that's it guys. So, and moreover, like, never rely on the automation tools. Automation tools will find only very few security issues. No, I don't want to name the commercial tools. With my course you will be able to find at least 200% more security issues than all the commercial tools in the world. If you want, you can test it by yourself by running all the commercial tools on particular web application and try to find manually guys. If you want to know the disadvantage of automation tools, I have already mentioned in my Quora website. Like you can see those like comments, like if you search for my name, I would have answered to too many questions in that you could see like disadvantages of automation security testing tools. So that's a very important thing to remember, because you are finding 200% more security issues than all the commercial tools in the world. That even the companies will get shocked to hear that. And the reasons I already mentioned in some of my questions, guys. So that's about the automation tools. We covered the roadmap and what else, guys? Yes, so in the next lesson I'll try to focus on installing the burp suite software and the essentials, so that we can focus on high level issues. Now in the next 3-4 lessons I will try to show some high level issues, because checking for only low level issues might be boring for you guys. I know that like you guys are very eager to find at least couple of